to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. I'm your host Emma, and I'm so glad you're here today because it is hot, it's sweltering, there's bugs everywhere, so it's time for a summertime cocktail. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of a traditional Atlanta peach smash. Originally, I thought I was going to need an entire peach to do this for one serving, but actually just half a peach is necessary. Instead of grilling my peaches, we did run out of propane, so I'm going to be using the broiler. I really like a little caramelized top. Just putting it in for the broiler just a few minutes, and then I'll show you what's next. I'm going to go ahead and muddle it with my muddler. Just a half a lemon. The original recipe actually called for a little bit of grenadine, like 1 ounce, which is a little more than what I wanted to use. So I just substituted half an ounce of organic 100% maple syrup instead. George Washington was actually president whenever Basil Hayden Sr. started making this, which is really interesting. Also, side note, Kentucky was only 4 years old, my home state. Yay! Okay, now it's time for my taste test of the Georgia peach smash. It's like Basil Hayden gave a peach a kiss on the mouth. Really good Sunday brunch cocktail too, probably actually, and definitely refreshing on a hot, sweltering day. So it's like ginger beer kissed a peach and decided to go party with bourbon. It's like ginger beer went to Peach Town and enjoyed a lot of bourbon together. I love this, and it's great for the South, for the North, for the East, for the West. I'm digging it. Oh, and before I forget, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that link below and hit subscribe so you can follow along with all my cocktail adventures here in my beautiful home. Cheers to me and cheers to you, and to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. See you next time.